Hey guys, back for another video. And this video is showing you my truck. It's a 1990 Chevy S10. Well, we had a parts truck for it. That's why the door is different color, because this thing got T-boned. But it actually wasn't too damaged. But I spray painted the wheels black. And there's another dent here. We have the fender from the other truck we gotta put on sometime. And the grill was busted up, and this headlight was gone. But this headlight don't even work. So, yeah. The reason I'm making this video today, I would have waited until summer, but the reason I'm making this video today is because today is the day I've owned this thing for 2 years. I got it on the January 20th, 2021, but I bought it January 18th, 2021, and it's January 18th, 2023. And that's the same day I junked my first car, as a 1995 Dodge Neon. Yeah. Oops. The interior. We also used some of the interior from it too. Like this was gone and the glove box was gone, so we put those on it. I put these floor mats in. It's a 5-speed, just like my other car. I never owned a car that was not a 5-speed. So yeah, didn't do this as that came. I'm making this video before I go to work. Yeah. And I just recently had to put some gas in, because it's had the same gas in it that all the time I've owned it. But the other day it was out of gas, so I had to put some in. And yeah, I plan on making the aftermath of the Camry hopefully this week. I know it's been a while, but I'm hoping to get it done this week. And next week, a couple more videos are going to be coming on some other vehicles we have. And hope you like this video. Yeah, bye.